Good morning, everybody. Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And in today's video, I want to talk about some of the best benefits of starting with a host travel agency. Okay, and the best ones to join for as new beginners. So if you're new to the travel agent industry and you're trying to get your feet wet and trying to get some things understood about how all this works, well, good news. I want to put you guys on a host travel agency that I'm affiliated with, and kudos to you because you're in the right direction. Host travel agency is where you need to go because you don't want to waste time trying to do all this on your own, trying to research and put the pieces of the puzzle together and do all these courses. However, you can affiliate yourself with a host travel agency and get started very, very quickly. Okay, you can become certified immediately as soon as you join. So those are some of the benefits of joining a host agency, because wasting time and money right now, and especially with all the information we got out here and all the support, you know, it's crazy. So like I said, hats off to you for even thinking about joining a host agency. And think about it, you know, you don't have to waste time putting your website together and trying to find out all the vendors and vendor access and things of that nature. All that's done for you, okay? So those are some of the things you want to look into when getting started with an online business. So if you're trying to get started in the online travel agency business, I have a presentation I want to share with you that can educate you even more on which is the best host travel agency to be a part of, and put you on the one that we are affiliated with that can pretty much get your feet wet and get you going in the right direction. Okay, so click the link below this video or within this video to learn more information about this amazing host travel agency that we are affiliated with, and we will see you on the next video and the other side. So click that link below and have a blessed day. All right, bye-bye.